ルのやつ見つけてたのか。
ノワールではなくディアブロと呼ぶように。
本気かい。つまりだ、やれと言うなら仕方ない。原初の木ジョーヌだ。よろしく頼むよ。
My Lord Rimuru, for countless ages, I existed as nothing more than a demon of pride and instinct. I was feared, summoned, discarded, never chosen. Power was all I was valued for, and even that was taken for granted. Then you looked at me, not as a tool, not as a monster, but as an equal. You spoke my name, and in doing so gave my existence meaning. You trusted me without chains, without commands, without fear. You allowed me to stand beside you, not beneath you. You laughed with me, relied on me, and accepted me as I am. In serving you, I did not lose myself. I finally found myself. For that, Rimuru, my loyalty is not obligation, it is gratitude, and it will endure for all eternity.
Golden eyes. The red pupils.
What? A Demon Lord?
That can't be possible. They're legendary beings that can potentially surpass even Demon Lords. Everything's starting to make sense now. Damn it! Demon Lord Rimuru's gotta be completely out of his mind! Why in the world would he give a being like this a name?
I hope you don't mind, but we completed our preparations while you were busy chatting.
Prepare to face annihilation! Struggle all you'd like, but there is no escape! Trinity, break!
「緩やかに滅びゆく世界の中で何もできぬ絶望を知れ」「発動ディスペアタイム」
Subject: Diablo. Classification: the primordial black. Identifiers: golden eyes, red pupils, unhinged, death glare. Movement pattern: absolute dominance. Noticeable tendencies: turns despair itself into time. Containment: impossible. Diablo can't be suppressed. Risk level: world-ending threat. Final advisory: do not provoke. Do not threaten Rimuru Tempest. Do not mistake politeness for mercy.
I just keep singing my name, we ain't the same. I'm at the top of my name, separate the master, I'm bringing the pain, and I'm taking the fuckers up into the grave. Bitch, hit them with the blade, with the bike in the same face, never seen again. Get them ready when I'm in the face, in the case of a face, to make it one in the same. Bitch, I'm feeling like Jason, no machete can stop me. Got the mask up on my dome, and I don't use it for hockey.
Yoshi, それはあまりにも時間が。
黙りなさい。私は気が短いのです。
しかし、地方の貴族たちも召集でねば。
黙れと言っている。
Y lo siento yo, como bailalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo, como bailalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo, como
いいですね。
当然引き受けてくれるよな。 久しぶりですね、ビオレ。
何しに来たんだよ、ノワール。
今後はノワールではなくディアブロと呼ぶように。
まさか名前を。一体どこに物好きが。
羨ましいですか、ビオレ。同じ最古の悪魔でありながら、あなたには名前もありませんからね。
はあ、なんで僕がそんな面倒な真似をしなきゃなんないわけ。なんなの、僕を侮辱する気？